Hi, I'm Eric from Fifth Axis, and today we're going to talk about some cool new automation products. So this is an example of our RockLock 96 pneumatic base, specifically engineered for machine tool tending automation, more specifically integrated fixture exchange, right? With a system like this, we're swapping out the whole vise, we're swapping out the whole chuck. It provides a great level of flexibility and versatility when we're doing a machine tool tending operation. This particular version, this is new, this has only been out for about 30 days at this point. And what makes it unique are these ejectors, okay? These basically are gonna do three things for the customer. First off, they allow for a little bit of misalignment when we're programming our robot, right? They're a little more forgiving because we're actually just aligning that fixture to these ejectors, and they're doing the rest of the work, making sure that that top tooling drops in place where it needs to be. Second, I don't know if you can hear it on this video, but there's air, right? There's air moving through these ejectors, and what that's gonna do is that's gonna help manage chip load, right? There's built-in chip removal with this system, so when those ejectors come up with the top tooling, they're gonna blast those chips right off the surface of this RockLock base. Lastly, because those ejectors, essentially their main purpose is to eject that top tooling, and that relieves any stress from the tooling, right? Any resistance from the tooling that the robot or the cobot might take, it's completely gone, to the fact where we're offering these RockLock pneumatic bases with a no stick guarantee. So it's all the great things from our old design, right? They still run on shop air, 80 to 100 PSI, spring to close, air to open, so we're never relying on pneumatics for clamping pressure. So you still get all those benefits. The ejectors just make it that much better. And as you can see on this DVF 5000, it's almost perfect for this 5-axis application. So another great new automation product from Fifth Axis is going to be the high payload cleat and the matching high payload gripper. So now, you know, we've got this great flexible cleat for picking up our top tooling and automatically loading it in and out of the machine. 25 kilogram payload. So like, this is a perfect example of a nice 5" by 6" X-Series self-centering vise from Fifth Axis. You know, this high payload gripper with that high payload cleat, that's gonna be able to pick that up and load it without any issues, no sagging. And of course, with that new base and the no stick guarantee, it's gonna be a pretty seamless transition in and out of the machine for the customer. Also new to Fifth Axis are these shelf and rack kits. 4 things that really jump off the page about this new product is gonna be, first, you know, very small footprint. I can put this in front of the machine, on the side of the machine. I can get several of these rack systems in, and they don't consume a lot of your floor space. Second, these shelves are universal. So I've got my 96mm spacing for my larger fixtures on one side, but on the opposite side, I've got the smaller 52mm spacing. So I can mix and match. I can flip them depending on what size top tooling I'm using, right? Another great design feature is going to be the modularity that we've built into this shelving. I can add more shelves, I can adjust the location, you know, based on, you know, the amount of fixtures I want to use, or based on the different height requirements I might have for my part. But the point is it's very versatile. You've got a lot of options. And last, we've got these really convenient scribe lines built into the shelf. So teaching the robot these positions has really never been easier. So for more information on any of these new automation products, or really any product offering from Fifth Axis, just reach out to your local Syracuse Supply sales representative. They'll be able to assist you.